OLED TV with AI and also great for console gaming, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the TCL 50S425 50-inch 4K Smart LED Roku TV. This is our best budget 4K TV. If you're looking for one of the cheapest options for a quality 4K UHD TV, then the TCL 50S425 50-inch 4K Smart LED Roku TV is one of the most affordable options for you. Currently priced at $300, the 50-inch 4 Series Roku TV delivers all your favorite content with over 500,000 movies and TV episodes accessible through a simple, intuitive interface in a sleek, modern design. With the popular Roku TV built right in, you'll love how easy it is to access your favorite streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and HBO Go, plus all free media content on the Roku channel itself. Once you've queued up your favorite flick or show, you'll find the 4K display is bright with vivid colors in ultra-high definition. The contrast levels are surprisingly good for a budget-level TV, especially with HDR10 support. You'll love the details and clarity in your picture. In addition to the regular remote, you'll love that Roku has its own app that transforms your smartphone or tablet into a full-function Roku remote with voice control, giving you the ability to browse and add new channels. Even listen to TV audio on headphones connected to your mobile device. The speakers on the TCL are pretty decent, but you'll want to hook up external speakers for immersive movie-watching experience. And if you have Roku speakers, the 50S425 can actually wirelessly connect to them. If you want to bump up your viewing experience with a QLED TV at an affordable price, stay tuned for the Samsung Q60 series coming up next. The key features are dimensions: 44.1 by 8 by 2 inches. Weight: 23.6 pounds. The pros are 4K LED display, stunning Ultra HD picture quality. HDR: supports HDR10 content for extra detail and clarity. Affordability: one of the best priced smart 4K TV options on the market. Roku TV: easy and instant access to Netflix, Hulu, HBO Go, and more. Voice commands: works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Roku app: transforms your smartphone or tablet into a full-function Roku remote with voice control. And for the cons, color spectrum: can be limited but not bad at this price point. If you're looking for a budget 4K UHD TV, then the TCL 50S425 50-inch 4K Smart LED Roku TV delivers all your favorite streaming services through a simple, intuitive interface in a sleek, modern design, making it one of the best budget options for you. The fourth product on our list is the Samsung Q60 Series 75-inch. This is our best big screen value for dollar 4K TV. If you're looking for a great deal on a large 4K TV, then the 75-inch Samsung Q60 Series 4K is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $1,400, the Q60 series is last year's model, but still delivers incredible viewing experience at a much lower price, giving you a big bang and a big screen for your TV buck. You'll be very impressed not only by its staggering 75-inch screen, but also the Q60's ability to reproduce some of the best true-to-life colors imaginable. With its wide viewing angle, you and your friends and family can enjoy full-blown cinematic experiences no matter where you're sitting. Packed inside, you'll find a powerful quantum processor that continually works to adapt to the best brightness, volume, and color tones to maximize your watching enjoyment. You'll enjoy an extremely wide color palette that consists of over 1 billion colors, giving you incredible picture detail and clarity. The Quantum HDR4X generates ultra-realistic lights and darks, making any movie or gaming experience really immersive. As for streaming movies and TV shows, the Universal Guide gives you access to all popular streaming platforms. With its voice integration, you'll be able to use Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant, and Samsung's SmartThings feature also lets you conveniently control compatible household appliances in your smart home. If you want to bump up the QLED to an OLED TV, stick around for the LG CX series, our pick for the best OLED TV, coming up later in the video. The key features are screen, 75-inch 4K UHD QLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Ports: 4 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. Connectivity: Bluetooth, USB, wireless, HDMI. Quantum processor: adaptive brightness, adaptive sound, and automatic content upscaling to 4K. The pros are HDR, Quantum HDR 4X. Gaming: auto game mode and FreeSync minimizes screen tearing, low latency for great console gaming. Picture: powered by quantum dots with a billion shades of brilliant color and 100% color volume for exceptional depth of detail. Smart features: one remote to control all compatible devices, Bixby voice command with support for Alexa and Google Assistant. And for the cons, Edge Lit, with lower peak brightness than some other QLEDs. If you're looking for a large 4K TV with great picture quality and features at a great price, then the 75-inch Samsung Q60 Series 4K is last year's model but still delivers incredible viewing experience at a much lower price, making it one of the best value choices for you. The third product on our list is the Samsung Q90T 65-inch. This is our best 4K QLED TV. If you're looking for one of the best 4K QLED TVs for this year, then the new Samsung Q90T 65-inch is one of the best choices for you. Currently priced at $2,620, the 65-inch Q90T delivers one of the best pictures on a QLED TV with all the bells and whistles for an incredible viewing experience. You'll love the ultra-wide screen. It's sleek, elegant, with a minimalistic design from any angle and draws you into the screen. Packed with Samsung's Direct Full Array 20X technology, you'll be amazed at how colors come alive with the additional lighting zones working behind the screen. You find all the quantum features lets you experience rich, accurate color, deeper contrast, and improved brightness so you can enjoy more breathtaking detail. The Quantum HDR 16X also adjusts color and contrast scene by scene, delivering a rich, dynamic, and realistic picture that feels like it's jumping off the screen. You'll enjoy a truly immersive experience in both audio and video, especially with the object tracking sound that uses 2 top and 2 bottom speakers to continually deliver full-bodied 3D sound to match what's happening on the screen. If you're a gamer, Samsung really ups the ante over the Q60 with Real Game Enhancer Plus that delivers extra motion clarity and automatically reduces halo and blur in fast-moving game scenes, plus AMD FreeSync to reduce tearing and stuttering, making it great for console gaming. The key features are screen, 65-inch 4K UHD QLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Quantum features, quantum processor, Quantum HDR 16X, powered by quantum dots with a billion shades of brilliant color and 100% color volume for exceptional depth of detail. The pros are object tracking sound. 2 top and 2 bottom built-in TV speakers adjust the sound to follow the action. Gaming, Real Game Enhancer Plus and FreeSync minimizes screen tearing, low latency, and extra motion clarity for great console gaming. Smart features, one remote to control all compatible devices, Bixby voice command, and support for Alexa and Google Assistant. And for the cons, calibration. Out of the box, the calibration will need to be fine-tuned for optimal performance. If you're looking for amazing picture quality without paying for an OLED display, then the Samsung Q90T 65-inch delivers one of the best pictures on a QLED TV with all the bells and whistles for an incredible viewing experience, making it one of the best choices for you. The second product on our list is the LG CX Series 65-inch. This is our best overall 4K OLED TV. If you're looking for a TV with one of the best picture qualities from an OLED display for an incredible viewing experience, then the 65-inch LG CX 4K OLED TV is one of the best choices for you. Currently priced at $2,500, the LG will redefine your viewing experience, making movies, shows, sports, and gaming even more exciting. You'll find no detail goes unseen with the OLED panel. Each pixel emits its own light and is lit when required, off when not, making the blacks on an OLED screen truly outstanding. You'll be impressed with LG's AI technology that works seamlessly in the background to optimize your viewing experience. Everything you see and hear is automatically made better, clearer, smoother, and more dynamic with AI Picture Pro, AI Sound Pro, AI 4K upscaling, and the ability to help your TV to evolve over time, and the best thing is, you don't have to do a thing. If you're a gamer, you'll love the gaming experience with AI-powered picture quality and NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync to give you an edge with less lag, high refresh rates, and incredibly smooth and responsive gameplay for great console gaming. The key features are screen, 65-inch 4K OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Magic Remote is activated through voice and motion control. Just speak or simply point, scroll, and click. The pros are pixel level dimming. 8.3 million pixels control the light show. Millions of pixels emit their own light independently for a stunning picture, perfect black, infinite contrast, and over 1 billion rich colors. Dolby Vision IQ automatically adjusts picture settings based on ambient lighting conditions and content genres. Dolby Atmos puts you in the middle of the action with multi-dimensional surround sound that seems to flow all around you. 4K processor uses AI and deep learning to authentically upscale lower resolution content, translating the source to 4K's 8.3 plus million pixels. Gaming supports both NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync. And for the cons, privacy. Privacy settings are off by default and set to track your use in a variety of ways. If you're looking for one of the best OLED TVs, then the 65-inch LG CX 4K OLED TV comes with impressive AI Picture Pro, AI Sound Pro, and AI 4K upscaling to deliver an incredible viewing experience, making it one of the best OLED options for you. The first product on our list is the Sony XBR A8H Series 65-inch 2020. This is our best premium 4K TV. If you're looking for a great splurge on a 4K TV, the latest and greatest Bravia A8H OLED TV from Sony is their top-of-the-line Android TV and is one of the best choices for you. Currently priced at $2,800, the XBR A8H is the latest in the Master Series and is one of the most anticipated 4K smart TVs after CES 2020 with a gorgeous OLED panel and Sony's powerful X1 Ultimate processor with built-in Google Assistant. You'll love how superb the 65-inch A8H looks. The combo of the stunning OLED panel with the X1 processor that delivers pixel-level color enhancements for deep contrast and true blacks is more than impressive. Throw in Sony's Triluminos color enhancement, their object-based processing for HDR, plus the addition of X-Motion Clarity for pixel-by-pixel motion smoothing, and you've got one of the best-looking 4K pictures around. If you're a Netflix fan, you'll especially enjoy the Netflix calibrated mode that's specially developed for their originals. It's not just about the picture quality. You'll find the A8H also supports Dolby Atmos, and what's amazing is Sony's acoustic surface audio technology that actually uses the glass of the OLED panel to produce sound. So you'll really like how the dialogue comes directly from the actors speaking for a more immersive viewing experience. The key features are microphones. Far-field microphones embedded in the bezel for hands-free smart assistant voice commands. Smart supports. Built-in smart Android TV with Google Assistant plus support for Alexa and AirPlay 2. The pros are Triluminos display. See exactly what the creator intended with advanced color and gradation with Netflix calibrated mode, Dolby Vision, and IMAX enhanced. X-Reality Pro. Upscale images to near 4K clarity while reducing on-screen noise. Acoustic surface audio. 2.1 channel sound from the entire screen, creating an immersive, multi-dimensional audio experience. X-Motion Clarity. Fast-moving scenes stay bright and clear. Object-based rendering. Over 8 million self-illuminating pixels controlled by the 4K HDR X1 processor. Pixel Contrast Booster. Delivers vivid colors and brilliantly refined details for striking realism. Netflix mode. Specially calibrated for network original shows. And for the cons, expensive. Sony's premium TV comes with a premium price, but you do get a premium viewing experience. If you're looking for the latest and greatest from Sony, the XBR A8H is their top-of-the-line Android TV with premium performance and features, making it a great splurge option for you, especially if you're a Netflix fan. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video,